Hello guys, welcome to my channel PM Singh Pathfinder. Today I'm going to show you a trick revealed. In this video, as you can see, a man is trying to show you a magic that he is trying to stand and sitting on the air. So when you see this video carefully, you can see the sack beneath that man. So that sack is wrapping an iron board under that sack, and the stick is holding with his left hand is an iron rod, just like the stick that we can see easily. And in that iron rod, an angle is wrapped into his arm. Along with that angle, there is an iron seat beneath his seat, in where he is sitting very comfortably. That iron seat, it is connected to that angle, and that angle is connected to that stick, and the stick is connected to that the ground floor level iron board, which is very firmly connected each other with the whole set of that system. As we can see very clearly, the stick is standing firmly. So with the help of that stick and the basement of that iron board and the angle that is inside his arm and his body, that he is sitting in the basement seat. So this is the real trick. Well guys, in this way the street disguised persons can make us a fool showing his trick in this way. Well, if you like this video, if you find that this video is very helpful, please subscribe my channel. And my channel is especially about Nepal, its happenings and travel, technology and tutorial videos. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I again request you to please subscribe my channel PM Singh Pathfinder. Thank you.